Hello everyone. Today we will see a cool programming trick. But don't forget to subscribe for 2Fish YouTube channel. Are you tired of swapping two numbers by using a temporary variable? Let's see how you have been doing before. You must be using a temporary variable to swap the numbers. But this is not the great way to do it. This way of swapping is slower and uses an extra variable. But the more better way of doing this is by using XOR operation. First we perform A XOR equal B. Then, B XOR equal A. Finally, A XOR equal B again. Now, A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. The values are swapped. That's great. Now, we will perform A XOR equal B. The result is stored in variable A. Then we will perform B XOR equal A. Now the value of B is 10. Finally we will perform A XOR equal B again. Now the value of A is 20. Do like this video and subscribe to 2Fish YouTube channel.